Is this really a great idea? Is this worth the mess that will come afterward?
Hi, we're Yvonne and Jeremy, and we're road tripping around the western US. Today, we've driven to southern Colorado to wander around Great Sand Dunes National Park and Preserve.
Good morning, everyone. We have arrived at Great Sand Dunes National Park and Preserve. It's in southern Colorado. So today we're going to actually go to the base, hike up one of the dunes, and these amazing sand dunes are formed mostly by rivers and streams breaking down the rocks into small sand particles, and then the wind also forming the dunes.
Walking in sand and going up the sand dune, sand is just gonna constantly blow at our faces. And I am excited, but then also the practical side of me is also thinking, is this really a great idea? Is this worth the mess that will come afterward? Every step I'm walking, I'm like sinking a few inches. This is gonna be fun.
We're headed to the High Dune, which is supposed to have a round trip travel time of about 2 hours. But the deceptive thing about the High Dune is it's not actually the highest dune. So that honor goes to the Star Dune or the Hidden Dune. I guess the High Dune is the next highest dune after that.
This is so satisfying.
We're going vertical now, and you're pretty much sinking back. Every time you go up, you're sinking back, so the progress is very limited.
Jeremy finally faces defeat.
I decided to sit down. I was resisting, but then there's a part on the way up where it was so slippery, I thought I was gonna fall. So I think I slightly panicked and lost my breath. So at long last, we finally reached High Dune, and even though it's technically not the highest dune, it sure looks like it. It doesn't look like any dune is higher, but I'm sure there's a reason why it appears that High Dune is the highest dune. And now Yvonne has gotten a crazy idea in her head. This, ladies and gentlemen, is not sand sledding. This is pulling yourself down sand with your hands. I don't imagine it's very comfortable.
Is this really a great idea? Is this worth the mess that will come afterward? That was fun.
We've stopped because Yvonne needs to take care of some business.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm like feeling all myself. Today is honestly the funnest day. I didn't think I would have so much fun here, but oh my gosh, what an experience sliding down the dunes. I just have sand everywhere, but it's worth it. I love today. Today's really fun. You should come here and just have fun and be a kid, and you'll enjoy this park so much.